Hey, I'm Wiebke Dirks. I'm a Wim Hof Academy student. I'm becoming Wim Hof instructor, and I've worked with resiliency and stress management after having my third burnout in my life. It was first one at 25 at university, and the last a few years ago, and I had difficulties to regain my strength and energy, and was looking for something that would build up life energy. And I found the cold. I found the cold water, the cold showers, the meditating in the snow, and lovely people who share this passion. And yeah, I just love it. And I'm in the Italian Alps. We had a nice ice dip, dug a hole into the ice, 20 centimeters of ice, 4 degrees water temperature. And yeah, it just feels like living is meant like this. It's meant like exploring the comfort zones and stretching joyfully our comfort zones and making the radius of our lives bigger for ourselves and the people we touch. Look at this beautiful nature. That's our true home. And when we move gently with the horse stance, when we move our blood, our circulation, when we feel the cold wind on our skin and the sun, strong sun in the middle of winter on our skin, we may begin to feel that we are not the crown of all of this, but part of it. That we can dip our feet into the ice cold water, and our body has always been prepared for this experience for 10,000s of years, for the cold shock and the first gasp of air, and also for the relaxing into the cold, for the relaxing into the beauty of Mother Nature, Mother Earth around us and underneath. And when we move our legs in the ice cold water, we feel that we are still alive, that we own this. We are part of these big mountains, that our body is built from the minerals of these mountains and of the water